All right, so back from my trip. Just put some new handlebars on my bike. The T-bars were killing my shoulders, so I'm gonna try these Prism Supply ones I got kicking around. Check it out. Yeah, they really don't fit the aesthetic of the bike. It was kind of a tough guy thing. Now it's got the little big old handlebar situation, but I'm gonna run it. I also need forwards. I'm gonna go buy some cheap ones on the old internet. I was gonna make some, but I'm a pile. I'm just gonna get some cheap ones and make it work. But yeah, I'm gonna go on a ride with some buddies. I think just Dustin and his lady probably. But we're just gonna go to the next little town and come back. Check it out. All right, I'm out here in the garage. Went on that ride. Try to get the light out of the way. The handlebars are pretty sweet, super comfortable. I already ordered some forwards because my hips are killing me on this thing now. So that'll be here in a couple of days. But I really need to clean this whole entire bike. Look at this. But you see all the mud on there. I'm gonna clean it off right now, so here I go. All right, so first, I'm pretty much just gonna get to the motor. Anything painted, I'll clean it another time. But the exhaust, the motor, the top end is just like caked in dirt in the front end. And just try to wipe off as much dirt, and then bag and just the tins I'll get another time. They're painted, so I don't really care as much. But I just don't want my motor to rust. So what I use, well, I got a bag of rags. I'll wipe all that shit off with these random paint rag things I bought for $1. But after I get it all cleaned up, dried off too, it's still kind of wet, so you can only blow so much water off. But I use this, I don't know if you can see it, chrome polish and rust remover. Stuff works good. It's turtle wax. I just hit it twice a year and it looks pretty shiny. So here I go. All right, clean this side off. Just get as good as you can. This stuff's pretty cool. You can get yourself a rag. I use a pretty crappy rag. If you use a better rag, you won't scratch it up as much, but anything's better than nothing. But I just glob it on there, smear it on. Right away, it's tons of dirt on there. Oh, I can't see it. I don't have good lighting in here. Yeah, just do a little at a time. I probably need to buy some more rags. This thing is really dirty. But I basically just do 2 coats. Do one to clean it, smear it around, make it cloudy. And then I'll come back with another rag and it'll be like a mirror finish. You're not gonna get it all. I mean, I don't know if you can see that, but that thing's dirty. This stuff's good to use too because it's a protectant. Yeah, I put it on there like twice a year and it works pretty good. It keeps my bike pretty shiny. There's a lot of grime and mud around here, so it helps. Also helps with the rust. My whole theory is paid a lot of money, time, parts, labor, whatever you want to call it. Might as well keep it nice. And everybody around here likes to keep their shit all crusty because it's cool, but still kind of nice to have something you work hard on. I spend, what, 30 minutes doing this, and it changes the whole bike. Maybe it'll last longer. And if I sell it, then someone else gets to enjoy a nice bike. That's how I see it. I noticed on my last ride, the freaking taillight is out, so it's either the bulb has had enough abuse or the wiring took a dump. They got chewed up on the sissy bar, so I'm hoping that's what it is. But when I had this bike together when it was all raw and not painted, I had it on there half-assed and the freaking thing flew off, hung on for dear life and hit into the chain, and I pulled over real quick and it made it through without even a hiccup. So Hip Customs, get a taillight from that guy. They go through the ringer, but I think just having the bag strapped around the electrical probably pulled it out somewhere. So I gotta fix that. And then on the other side, I gotta weld on the exhaust. That didn't make it on that last trip, so I gotta weld that up. That's all good. Easy money stuff. Easy fixes. See, your rag just gets decimated. It's good to have a bunch, but all I got is this last one. Try not to use the shit in the house because gotta have some nice stuff around. Plus it ain't gotta be perfect. That's pretty much clean. I'll pick up some more rags and do a once over and then clean all the black parts. I noticed my frame's getting some rust spots on it. I'll have to patch those up. Maybe this winter I'll change some of these bolts. All these expensive bolts I put on here rusted. Well, the black ones anyways. Apparently they were cheap. All right. Soda time. Make sure you get one of these bad boys on the website. Links in the description. Got all kinds of stuff on there. Go check it out. But yeah, like and subscribe.